Yo guys, I just woke up. Welcome to another YouTube channel. I want to check the charts now, but this morning I made a terrible mistake. I took a trade very early in the chart opening. I saw the opportunity, but I wasn't supposed to take a trade that early, so I took a loss on that trade because price was just even starting to move. I'll try not to make that mistake again, even if I see an opportunity. Yeah. So we're down to like 0.5% up on the account. So I also make sure that the next trade I take is actually a profitable trade. So today we might not take any other trade again, the way it's looking like. But I want to check the chart again because there was a setup that was forming, but I don't know if I want to take it. I want to be taking clear setups. So yeah, let's see. But I'm looking weird now because I literally just woke up. I slept late yesterday. I was editing all night, but yeah. Yo, welcome guys. I forgot to record yesterday. My phone was not full all the way yesterday. But I'm seeing setups today. I took a loss yesterday. I made a very big mistake yesterday, and I think I recorded. I'm not sure, or I would know, but I took a loss and I made a big mistake, and that mistake was the fact that I traded too early, so I took a loss on gold. But now I'm seeing two setups, right, which is weird. USD card and gold, I'm seeing buys, but looks like they're going to trigger at different times. That's what I'm thinking, but the two setups are very valid, right? Especially the USD card. The USD card looks like a A+ setup to me, so that's why I want to take it. Let me show you guys. So on the chart, you can see this USD card buys that I'm looking at, right? This is going to be my first TP, this line here, my first TP, and this is just continuation because, right, initially on USD card, we are bullish, and you can see USD card reacting upon this demand. So I don't need to explain further than that, but yeah, also on gold, I have this setup right here too. The setup right here, it's been hovering around my entry for a while now. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. That's what I'm looking at. So this was the trade we took the last time that brought us out of drawdown. Yeah. So I'm looking for a buy right now, but I don't know when this is gonna trigger. That's the issue now. So let's see. So just got tapped in on this USD card, hoping to see a reversal to, then continue the climb into the upside, hopefully. You guys, today is Wednesday, and I took this loss yesterday on USD card, right? So I took this loss. I used the wrong order block. This was the other block I was supposed to use. I used this one, so that was why I took this loss. I suspected, I was like, but you see this other block right here was the one that was supposed to work because it was protected, and this one was, I don't know, it was protected, but like on the lower time frame, so I didn't think it was gonna hold. So I followed my strategy, and this one was not a mistake, it was a good loss. So but regardless, on the account we are back to break even. On the account we're back to 50k break even, and I'll be looking to take another trade from here because now this other block has been mitigated, and now I'm seeing another entry around here. But let's just see how it goes. For gold, you guys are saying that I have a lot. I don't use everything on my thing. Don't you guys have watch list? If you have watch list, you know that you don't use everything on your watch list. Not like I traded this ones too. I don't use everything on my watch list. So gold, I was waiting for gold to tap into this place to give me a confirmation to buy, but it didn't give me a good confirmation, so I'm still waiting. So let's just see what gold does. So I'll check the rest later, but this is what we're looking like right now. Let me show you guys, and as I always say, you guys should journal your trade. This is one of the best ways to journal your trade. You see, this is my journal on Telegram here, so I journal my trades right here. I have a lot of trades. I journal and I put it right there. So as I said before, Right, I was waiting for confirmation off of here, didn't get it, so gold kept on respecting this other block, and now it has broken structure to the upside. So my entry is now here, and I'm just looking to take it. The target is up here, but I'm looking to get the 125. Let's just see how price move. I've not set the TP yet, but I've set my entry and my SL. So if we get tapped in by price, let's see how we can run with this. I'm also looking at the trade on USD card right now. No, not USD card. This one didn't. You guys see, it didn't give me my confirmation, so it ripped through. So you guys will discover the way I'll be avoiding losses now. You see how I'll be avoiding losses now, because this market conditions, you need to be very alert. You need to be very alert. So I'm looking for price to enter this place to give me a confirmation to then buy, but the price is still ranging. Let's just see. Yeah. So that's the analysis for now. Let's just see how things go. So guys, initially I waited on this UJ. I was waiting for price to get to this place. So price got to this place, broke structure, but didn't give me any entry. Right here, didn't give me any entry, which is very annoying, right? But I don't know what price wants to do here, so I'll just wait for price to play out. The same thing is happening on USD card, almost the same thing, not the same thing, but almost the same thing. So it has tapped into my point of interest to give me a confirmation to enter is what I'm waiting for. So I just need to wait for it to play out and see what I need to see before I enter. That's just what I'm waiting for. So it's looking very weird now, but let's just see how it plays out. Also, just a reminder, we're still on this trade on gold. I'm still waiting for this. The place where we're supposed to take is up here, but I think price is going to get down here to sorry, I think price is going to get down here to then take us to the upside. So that's what I'm thinking right now. That's what, it's not just thinking, that's my analysis, right? And this looks like a perfect trade. So there's nothing more I can do from here on. This is just how it is. I have to trade my strategy and just blocking with it. Guys, gold is just weird, bro. What's this one? It came first time, didn't tap me in, I waited. Now it came the second time, almost tapped us in. I don't know if you can see, almost. And just started reversing. Like, guy, what is this, man? I said if you reverse it from here and just keep going, that will be flipping annoying, because I'm already seeing the volume coming in. Like, this would be just so annoying, honestly. I didn't want to enter manually because I've made this mistake in the past, but this thing wants to happen, and I can just see it's right in front of me trying to happen. It's fucked up, man. You guys can see how it's pushing off on that tick. Fuck this, man. Forgive my words, but I'm pissed off right now, bro. I swear. Guys, you can't make this up, I swear. You legit can't make this up, see. You can't make this up. Literally on that line, that black line, that's where my entry is, even above it. You can't make this up, guys. You can't make this up, I swear. I'm fucking pissed, bro. I'm annoyed, guy. I took 2 losses this week already. And I think I told you guys this trade looks very clean. Looks very clean. We have a target at the top right there. Fuck, man. Gold, man, gold. Oh, I swear, gold is so fucking annoying. I swear, it will test you. It will test you, guy. Gold will test you. This night I stayed awake. This 3:49. I stayed awake to watch this entry. I wanted to enter manually, but I tried to hold myself. I disciplined myself that let me not enter, and it will tap me for 2 positions. Guys, I'm so pissed. I'm so angry. This is a 1 to 2 already. This is already at 1 to 2. This is already at 1 to 2. What am I saying? 1 to 2. What do you mean 1 to 2? 1 to 2.5, almost 1 to 3. Bro. This career is very guy. This career path that we're choosing is something else, man. I didn't sleep because of this. I'm also waiting for an entry confirmation on USD card. Waiting for an entry confirmation on GBP JPY too. But But the trade I put yesterday that was supposed to tap us in now is already leaving without us. So guys, price is coming back to that entry. I usually don't like this kind of thing, right? I don't like when price has touched my entry. Practically, it could also be counted as touch, because though it didn't touch, but it could also be an inducement, and it could also be a touch because it has swept the liquidity. But I don't like when price is trying to come back and retrace. But also that doesn't mean the trade is not still valid because the other block has not been mitigated. But usually I don't like it. That's what I'm just thinking. But my gut feeling is just telling me to just hold it, just keep it there. So yeah, let's see. I've placed another trade. I've placed a trade on USD CAD around here, a buy. I know it doesn't make sense, but honestly it's telling me to buy. So yeah, I placed it here around here. This is the entry. So here's the USD CAD, right? I'm hoping that the price doesn't focus up also, because you can see our entry is right here. That's where our entry is. So price has not like tapped us in, it's still playing around. On gold you can still see that the price is still, still bullish. Let's just see honestly. Let's just see how things go. I can't be asked, guys. Like, see, I told you this thing was gonna go. The gold trade actually went 1 to 9, but it did not tap us in, as I showed you guys yesterday, which is flipping annoying. I entered 2 other trades and I discovered I shouldn't have entered 2. So this one tapped us in, moved a bit, and went down. The UJ I entered actually did a bit better. You see the entry point right here, did a 1 to 3, then ripped down. The analysis was right, but it's just that price movement was not in line with it. So we're down about 1% already. So it's very annoying. I don't know if I'll see a setup today, but I doubt it. I've taken 4 trades for the week. It's very annoying, honestly. Let's just see. So USD CAD has already given me 2 losses this week. Let's just see if we can catch a win, because I think now we are confirmed to be bearish on USD CAD after this break. So I think I'll take this sell to take out this entire liquidity. You guys know what I'm talking about, people that have been here for a while. So I need to just see a confirmation either from here or here. I don't need to see it go too far. Yeah, just from here or here, because it looks like it really wants to move to the downside. So let's just see. Yo guys, yesterday we took 3 losses, right? And I want to explain this. So on USD CAD, what was that loss? On USD CAD, no, was it on USD CAD? Yeah, on USD CAD we took some losses, but I don't think I think I've cleared them. I'll check the group for it. And on UJ we took this loss yesterday. We took 2 losses actually. We took 1 here, we took 1 here. So that one is there. We took 1 here, we took 1 here, and we took 1 loss on USD CAD. So that makes it 3 losses, right? Yesterday. So today I actually set a limit since yesterday on USD CAD. On like, I just set it and forget it there, you get. And this morning USD CAD has tapped us in. As you can see, it tapped us in, very clean entry there. So we're looking to sell USD CAD. And also I didn't even know it was going to come back and tap us because it was already far. I just put the entry there, and yeah, we're looking to clear out this liquidity, guys. We were down like a total of 2%. We died yesterday. We're down a total of 2%. I thought we were going to end the week 2% down, but this might just be our saving grace even after the gold betrayed us. So this might just be our saving grace. If this hits, we'll probably come back to I think what's the name, 2% up maybe. So we'll most likely come back to 2% profit. So let's just see how this plays out, guys. Firstly, guys, you guys can see that entry, very clean entry, very clean. I'm liking the way this is looking. As you can see, the push is really strong to the downside. So since yesterday I put this here, since yesterday evening. So after this consolidation, I think an unemployment claim news came out today that pushed it to our entry, and now we're going to our final target right here, going to be giving us a 1 to 8. Yeah, it's looking really nice. So hopefully we hit TP. If we hit TP, we'll close for 2% this week. That's what I'm looking to get, because we were already down 2%, so this trade is going to give us 4%. You get, so covering 2% and adding an extra 2%. Hopefully it might be our saving grace, as I said. So guys, we almost had TP. This is how we're looking on the trade. So I think TP is inevitable. Honestly, we're gonna hit TP, hopefully. So yeah, let's see how things goes from here. So guys, still holding this trade. Today is Friday, so I'm not going to hold over the week. That's one thing I want to put first. I'm not gonna hold over the week. So hopefully it hits TP before 9. That's what I'm hoping, so that I don't close abnormally. But I'm not gonna hold over the week. That's true. I'm just putting that out there. Hopefully it hits TP first. You guys, I did something here, right? My TP is supposed to be here. I just shifted it down a bit, right? And why did I do this? Because it turns out that all the trades I've been taking, commissions have piled up, and commissions are now like over $200 in commission, which is crazy. But I know I'm on a 50k accounts, but like over $200 in commission. So which means if this price hits my TP, my regular TP, it means I'll still be down like $200. So I'm just gonna be monitoring this, right? If it hits TP, I don't know how it's gonna hit TP, but if it's gonna hit fast or this, I'll just monitor it so that I don't miss my actual profit. And also, if it's going in a way that it's going to keep moving down, then I can actually hit my target. Yeah, so that's why. So let's just see how things go. You guys, so I closed around here. I closed for a 1 to 6, right? I was supposed to close down here, this line. I closed for a 1 to 6 because today is Friday and it's already what? It's already 8:55, which is almost like 1 hour to 10, and I'm not gonna hold this over the week. So yeah, I also closed for another reason. I came on the higher time frame and I saw this on the 4 hour actually. So what you see here is price can still be very bullish right now. So you see break of structure, price has gotten to the lowest point, though I know that there's a possibility that price still sweeps, but break of structure can continue from here and still keep going. You get, so let's just, fingers crossed, let's just see how this goes. So guys, I think we came out at the right time. As you can see, price is somehow going back up, and it's already 9:40, so which means price is about to close. But yeah, it would have been a bad place to close. So yeah, another good entry, good exit. So yeah guys, we ended the week profitable. It was supposed to be a break-even week, but because of commissions, it is now still 1%, so it's a bit under 1%. So yeah guys, that's basically how the week is. Next week we're coming for the passing. We're coming to pass this account. We were supposed to pass it this week. Had it been this gold trade or trigger in this gold trade, had it been the trigger in, I also saw this opportunity on gold, but I didn't take it because I was already on this trade. So I didn't take it. This gold trade didn't trigger us, so very annoying. If not, we would have passed our account this week, but we'll come back next week for more. Let's go, guys. So guys, I'll show you guys normally this was the trade we took early this week. As I told you, like, we entered too early. So this is like my journal. I use Telegram as a journal now because it's a lot easier and faster for me. So we took another loss, right? We took about 6 losses this week. Another loss, right? This one, it went for a 1 to 3 and reversed on us, which is not a bad entry, but the downtrend obviously. But what I thought is, this big rectangle is actually a big higher time frame order block. So when I saw price reacting off of it, I thought it was going to continue to the upside, but that was not the case. Here to downside loss, here to loss, and to end the week we ended with the 1 to 6.5.3 actually. Supposed to be break even, but because of the commissions and stuff, we're not at break even right now. So not like, break even from where we started this week. We started this week with about 50,500 and something, but now we're about 50,380 something. So next week we need to come back for the bag. You guys, so I remember I told you guys I was gonna drop the source on video editing, right? I was gonna drop some groups. These groups are not easy to get. They don't come by easily. You can't just think of them and get them. I'm literally going to help you guys by posting these groups so you can go and get your clients, right? But also I said we need to get to 800. As you can see, we're almost there. We're almost at 800. So by the time I post this video, I don't think we'll be at 800 yet, which is why I won't be putting those links in this video. So until we get to 800, that's when I'll put those links. So you guys should try and subscribe. And the reason why I'm saying this, some people will say that, why are you not posting this thing? I've checked my analytics, guys, and there are a lot of people that are watching it and are not subscribed yet. They just keep on coming back and watch it, and they don't subscribe still. Subscribing is free, so just subscribe. And basically we've really gone far. We've gone a long way. The next video will be coming out very soon, so obviously this is the video I'm doing. So 1% up. We're still 1% up technically, but it was a break-even week for real. Yeah guys, I'll be ending the video very soon, but I want to make a face-to-face video first. Then we'll get to that on the next slide.
Yo guys, so I'll be ending the video here. You guys should do well to like, subscribe. Guys, this week has been hectic. At the beginning I was able to get into that gold trade. I could promise you guys that I would have passed, honestly, because one thing you guys will notice about my trading is when I'm in a winning trade, I try not to enter other trades. So because I was not in that trade, that was why I entered those other 2 losing trades that came after. So if I was in that winning trade, I wouldn't have even bothered to enter that trade in the first place, and it would have hit our TP. The next day, the first trade I took was the USD card sales, and that USD card sales was what gave us the break even for the week. So it was a break even week. Could have been better. We could have passed, but let's just see how things pan out this next week. I'll catch you guys on the next video. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I hope you guys are seeing the realistic life of how traders actually live. Forget all this Instagram bullshit. Forget all these people that show you consistent wins. It's not always like that. If you check their histories, you'll see a lot of red, but when they have one blue, they'll come and post it online. Don't always believe all this stuff. The real trading is when you have losses and you have that win that covers up your losses. That's real trading. So you guys should not fall for the illusion of social media. So guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.